welcome to Wednesday, December 3rd for the blog video today, and we're looking at the ETF IWM, the iShares Russell 2000 ETF. And like I pointed out to you a couple days ago, we went long right down in here about 115.15, and as you can see, the market's up again today. The Dow making an all-time high yesterday, and the S&P's just off their all-time high, within a couple points right now as I speak. But the Russell, of course, is off their all-time highs. That's why I thought that the Russell would be probably a better play down in here, because the other markets like the DIA, let's take a look at the DIA, right? Represents the Dow Jones Industrial Average 1-to-1, right? IWM is the Russell. Of course, the SPY matches the S&Ps, right? 1-to-1. The SSO is a 2-for-1. Okay, and so again, the IWM, since it's not on the all-time highs, or really not even near the all-time highs we're about 3 points off from the all-time high in the ETF. Okay, about 3.5 points, right? This is the all-time high back in here. And we're sitting in here right now, so we got more room to move before retesting those highs. Again, whereas the SPY is pretty much on the highs, the DIA is on the highs, and the Qs are just slightly down off the highs. Okay, so again, I thought the IWM would be a better play to the long side. I mean, look at if you're overall still bullish this market, the IWM I believe is the better play right here, right now. Okay, so this type of trade would be, you'd have taken something off the table, right? And you wouldn't be risking anything now. It's pretty much a free trade, and that's about it for that. Okay, the Kier, the healthcare bull 3 times, is just screaming to the upside, and this has been, you know, in an uptrend for quite a while. Came down barely. Took out that 200 exponential moving average. Again, this reaction right here from the 24th of September down to October 15th low was pretty much the correction that we saw in the overall market, and then we've run up. And look at, I mean, we've a higher high and a higher low today, whereas the overall market's not seeing that in the Qs. We're not seeing that. We're not seeing that in the SPYs, and obviously we've talked about the IWM, so we're not seeing that as well. So Kier is extremely strong. Again, it's the sector ETF of healthcare, and it's you know, 3 times the healthcare sector. So get your bang for your buck here. And if any of you have watched that video that I put out yesterday, you still have time to watch that before it's taken down. And then tomorrow, my good friend Jeff Bish will be putting together another video for you, and then I got a third video for you in the next few days, and then a 4th video on the weekend. So be sure to opt in for those videos. I think you'll learn a whole lot. So Kier is extremely strong. You want to be buying this on any little pullback here. We've got momentum behind this. DRN also is very strong. It's the real estate sector ETF. It's 3 times the regular sector ETF. So again, this is, you know, it's got a little bit more room to breathe before hitting the all-time high that was put in place on the 28th. About almost 2 points. But this has got, you want to be looking to enter these markets long. Okay? Hope that helps. And again, be sure to watch the free video series that we're putting out. I know you'll enjoy them. If you got any feedback or want to contact me, just get a hold of me. Have a great day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.